How to deactivate your LinkedIn account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Here, you first of all want to log into your account. For that, enter your email or phone number. Then you want to enter your password. After that, you want to click on the sign in option. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on the option of Me. On this drop-down menu, select the option of Settings and Privacy. Now you want to scroll down and get to Account Management. Click on the option of Hibernate Account. Now you want to go through all of this and then click on the option of Hibernate. After that, you will have to select a reason as to why you want to temporarily deactivate your LinkedIn account. Click on any of these reasons and click on the next option. Now for the final step, you will have to enter your password for security reasons. After you have entered your password, click on the Hibernate account option. After this, your account has been temporarily deactivated. Now you can reactivate your account anytime you want after 24 hours, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.